Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to 365 Ninja. I've got a Skype for Business tip for you today. It's a beginner level tip on adding contacts to your Skype for Business client. You can add them within your organization and also outside your organization if your administrator has enabled that. And once you have a robust contacts list, it's really easy to send IMs to people, to make calls, all of the great things you can do with Skype for Business. So the easiest way to start finding somebody that you want to add to your contacts list is simply to go right to this search field, and it's pretty obvious. It says find someone. So I'm going to start by typing in somebody's name who I know is in my contacts list in Office 365, but she's outside my organization. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I got my search result here. Once I have the search result, I will right-click on her name and select Add to Contacts List. Depending on how you have your list set up so far, you might see some other groups here. I'll click Other Contacts, and she pops up on my list. If you're looking for somebody who is not in your contacts list already, you can still type in their name in this search bar. But once you get to this result, instead of My Contacts, you'll toggle over to Skype Directory. Now, with this particular search, I find a lot of examples. I'll probably need a little bit more information to narrow down my search. So bear in mind that you can actually search by using their email address or their Microsoft ID or even their Skype ID. You can add contacts that are in regular Skype, not just Skype for Business. So let me clear out this search. I just want to show you one other method. You can also go to this icon here, add a contact, create a group, or customize the contacts list. So this is a good place to keep in mind that you can actually skip forward to those in my organization, not in my organization, Skype for Business, or Skype options. If you already know for sure that you want to add somebody who's in the wider Skype land, you can just click right here and you'll go to the Skype directory search right away. And another thing to keep in mind when you're using Skype for Business, if you add a Skype contact, somebody who's not using the business version, you'll get a notification that says that they have to accept the request before you can see their presence and start communicating with them. And if you try to send them instant messages or communicate before they've accepted that request, you'll get essentially like an error message. You'll get notified that you don't have the ability to contact them until your request has been accepted. So just something to keep in mind if your Skype for Business activity includes instant messaging or calling or interacting with people who use the personal Skype tool. So hope that tip helped. For more tips and tricks like this one on Skype for Business and other Office 365 tools, please check back with 365ninja.com. Thanks.